Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move. Today, I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Alexis Christophers, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo. Lisa, what do you got for us?
All right, I want to start with Amazon, ticker AMZ, and their shares have been up as much as 13%. I mean, this is an Amazon Web Services story. The cloud unit posted the strongest growth rate in almost 3 years. Third quarter revenue, $33 billion. Really eased investors' fears because they were worried that it was losing ground to competitors, people like Microsoft's Azure cloud business, Alphabet's Google Cloud. Their total sales rose about 13%, but a lot of it was around AI news. They said it's shopping chatbot Rufus is going to help deliver an additional $10 billion in annual sales. I haven't seen Rufus. Rufus, yes.
I don't know if I want to see Rufus.
I got Alexis. I got Siri. What else do I need?
There's a lot.
Okay.
And then finally, the CFO was saying that Amazon's invested heavily in the data centers or chips, right, to build, operate the AI models that can generate the text or images, automating processes. CapEx rose about 61% to a record $34.2 billion in the quarter, too.
Okay,
ironic, though, that the AWS outage happened this past week, too.
That's good.
Yes.
Yep, good point. But I mean, just think of the numbers here. This is what blows me away. I've been doing this Wall Street stuff for 40 years. The numbers blow me away. Just today, when the stock opens up 13%, that'll be $300 billion of new equity value created for the shareholders. And it's just the flick of switch.
And what does it do for Mr. Bezos?
Yeah, exactly. Rich go is the function. I'll be looking at that in just a moment. All right, what else you got?
Okay, so Apple, ticker AAPL, their shares have been up more than 2%. They said it's going to have a jump in sales over the holiday season because of the new iPhones. And it really assured investors that that product is going to be a growth engine for them because they were kind of worried about it. The CFO said revenue in the fiscal first quarter runs through December. It's going to rise by 10% to 12%. He said it's going to be our best iPhone quarter ever. So really behind it. If you look at the iPhone, I mean, the new one, they updated the designs. They introduced this like ultra thin model called the Air. So there have been some updates to it. The lineup is the company's biggest moneymaker, accounting for roughly half of its revenue. So it's a big
I'm still not buying it. I'm sticking with my iPhone 15 Pro. Thank you very much.
Well, Paul made fun of me the other day because he asked for a charger and I gave him mine and he has the new one. And he's like, what is this?
I mean, what are you doing to me? Yeah, what are you doing to me? Alexis, he asked about Jeff Bezos. He is, when you go to Rich Go, of the richest folks out there in the world, he ranks number 3, $246 billion. If the stock opens up, say 10%, he'll still be number 3, but that's okay. Larry Ellison's number 2 with $316 billion, and Elon Musk is number 1 with $456 billion. So there you go.
And could be more if that compensation package gets passed November 6th.
Larry Ellison's had the best year in terms of net worth increase. $124 billion net increase in his net worth this year. So good for him.
Gosh.
Good for him. Gosh. Buy another yacht.
Let's go to someone else who's doing better. How about Jensen Huang? Huh?
Yep.
That's another good one.
Let's hit Nvidia. Ticker NVDA. Their shares have been up more than 2%. So there have been actually a number of Nvidia deals. Nvidia's going to supply more than 260,000 AI chips to Samsung, Hyundai, SK Group. These are deals brokered with South Korea's government. Then on top of that, you have sources saying Nvidia's going to invest as much as $1 billion in the AI company Pool side. And all that said, you also have Jensen Huang saying that he hopes to sell the Blackwell chips to customers in China someday. Okay, he told reporters
someday, because President Trump made it sound like it's not going to happen anytime soon.
Exactly, and originally he did. He had said, you know what, I'm going to talk with, maybe I'll talk with Xi Jinping, and now it just didn't happen. But I mean, early this week it became, the company to reach $5 trillion in market cap.
And by the way, he is now Jensen Huang is the 9th richest person.
There you go. See?
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.